Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something interesting right over here. I got the Nayici Musketeer set right over there, and I'm just gonna check it out and see what is going on inside these two boxes, right? Pretty cool, colorful boxes. They both come with these bags. Inside there's a little bit of extra parts, a screwdriver, some stickers, extra screws, and you get a lot of goodies like an extra part. I'm gonna check it out in a second with these bad boys, but mainly you want to check these, not these two, and you want to check these two pieces right over here with this little fella right there. So basically this is the musketeer, and that's the bead that goes with it. So this fella you can just pretty much install like so, even if there's an extra piece, which I'm assuming just gonna go here inside this one, and this can be used as a keychain, so I'm just not gonna open that. But anyways, this is the point. So you can mount this bead onto the end of your musketeer, so to have kind of like a wand situation like that, kind of like you would have with your Billbug and the Black Mirror designed Zirk handle, which is fantastic. So you just hold it in your hand and it's just gonna spin. That's pretty neat. And by doing this, yes, you achieve like a fidgetability of your tool. Yes, because this is a slider, yes, cannon-shaped slider for sure. But this is also like a tool, which just you lock it in this position, it's not gonna go anywhere, and you grab, for example, your Wii bits, you grab like whatever you need, and just pop it in, and you start unscrewing what you need to unscrew or screw. So that's very, very interesting as a tool, like a disassembly maintaining tools. Like would this would be like a tool with a bit space and something spinning on the back, so you can just palm it and just do like this kind of move. So rotate here, and this is not gonna go anywhere. And same thing can happen here. So as you can see, this thing just slides, but I noticed that, of course, it gets a little bit scratched. It's normal, you know, it's metal on metal. It's a normal occurrence, but I just noticed that. So this thing is pretty cool. You get like an ammo design with a Torx bit on this little ridge, so you can just experience the 3 steps for this slider and just, of course, engage it and lock it. There is a spring like and a ball bearing ceramic underneath. There's a spare part right there, so it's pretty simple construction, but it's very well made. Titanium bead, spins super smoothly, takes a long time before it stops, and it is a nice it has a nice weight. Let me check how much this thing is gonna be weighing on the scale. It's not gonna be super light, boys, because that's zirconium polished and brass, so 160 grams, pretty much. So it's a heavy thing to keep in the pocket. I'm not gonna carry this because, you know, there's not even like a pocket clip. I see there's like treats options over there. Nicely done inlay with the bronze or the brass, sorry, on the polished Zirk, matching design, of course, for the titanium bead, which is blackened titanium and raw titanium. Beautiful screws. I mean, it's very, very nice, guys. The downside is just scratches easily, a little bit too heavy, and probably I would not change it if I would have to pick one. The Shirogoro would be my favorite one, and this would be, yeah, not the favorite, but still, it's a fantastic and more fidgety than the other toy, but that's than the other tool, sorry. But still, it's a pretty neat and cool toy, slider and spinner. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.